All right, YouTube fam, welcome back. Happy Saturday, happy Wednesday. Welcome back to the YouTube stream. Hope you guys are doing well. Great to have you guys back in the building. Terry, Rami, Antonio, what's going on? Maverick, good to have you here again. Rohan, first time on the stream. Pleasure to have you in the building, man. Pleasure to have you in the building, guys. Now, you will have to bear with me if I have to jump off and take any calls. I'm in the process of securing a new car before I go to Thailand, and I'm hoping to pick up this weekend, so you guys will have to bear with me. But yeah, hope you guys are doing well. Oh, there we go. There it is. Beautiful. Yeah, hope you guys are doing well. Good start to the week. Had a W in London on Monday. No trades US. Had another W. No trades yesterday in London, and a W in US. So yeah, hopefully today we will see what we get. Let me just turn this down, guys. Let me get the chat on Zoom in a second. But yeah, daily time frame, gold is creating a big bottom wick at the minute, having a big drive down. By the looks of it, we may come and grab yesterday's previous low. GJ is breaking back to the upside, but we will look to take some trades if we get some positions. But we're looking to get some good London volume this morning. So let me just get the community up and running. How many people we got? 23 people. Obviously, guys, the clocks have changed. So obviously I'm on an hour early, so I know some of you guys in Australia aren't able to jump on just yet. So I will give everyone a little bit of time to jump in, but if we do catch any positions, then we are still going to take them. So if I see anything jump out, I'm still going to take it, but I expect that most people are probably going to jump on in the hour. Let me just get my fan on because it's hot in this place. But yeah, we'll let a few more jump in, guys. We'll let a few more jump in. But how's everyone's week been so far? How have you guys found the markets? You guys taking good trades? Maybe been a little bit quiet? Start a poll. Boom. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Guys are joining in now. All right, let me get Zoom up and running. Zoom. Yeah, gold's having a big push down. I had a trade in Asia. Well, I had a trade drawn up in Asia, but I didn't execute it just because I was too busy doing other things. But I had a lovely trade drawn up in Asia, which I'll share with you guys in a second as well. We'll just give it another 15 more minutes, 10 minutes, let some more people join in. Remember, guys, drop a little like for the stream. As soon as we hit them likes, we'll get going. I think GJ could potentially have a pullback today. So it has just broken out of this resistance, but to me, there's no liquidity grabs to the lows. So I do think GJ has the potential to spike down a little lower. Gold is looking very bearish as it stands. So maybe we'll follow that momentum back down. We shall see. I think you might have unsent. Oh shit. Alright, sorry guys, I'm dealing with car stuff today, so you have to bear with me. Forward. Attachments fail to load. Ah, shit. Alright. Cool. Only doing demo testing this month, scalping gold, oil, and NAS and building data. Rami, good work, man. Switching from day trading to quick scalping. Really like the volume, small trade time. Yeah, good stuff, man. I've been scalping a lot at the minute, 20, 30 pips. Amazing. Yesterday, we got a nice position on GJ, half risk in the US session. I think it ran to like maybe 30 pips. And then caught 30 pips full risk on stream on Monday as well. So all W's so far this week. Just very quick, in and out scalps. So yeah, we'll see. Hopefully we can get some today as well. I'll let a few more people join, and then we will start sharing my screen. That's my email's not sending. Right, that should be gone. Alright, let me get the boys in the community in. We'll get cracking. We'll start sharing our screen. Start taking some trades. Let's get it. Alright, the boys are joining. YouTube fam, 8 likes. Get us to 10 likes. I'll start sharing my screen. What's your risk to rule when scalping? Depends on the markets. Maybe 1 to 2, 1 to 3 if we're pushing it. Sometimes maybe even 1 to 1, depending on the volume. But I always like to see a minimum of 1 to 2, 1 to 3. Who else is joining? Let me get the boys in on Zoom. The boys are joining. All right, let's do it. Boom. Where are we? Trading view. Boom. There we go. Cool. Let's get this out of the way. Yeah, GJ's breaking higher. Gold's going lower for now. This is the little trade that I had drawn in Asia. I didn't actually take this because I stepped off the charts. But Asia had a little lovely liquidity grab here, grabbed the highs, broke back below this level, came back down, quick little retest there, stops above the highs after grabbing the little high, and had a really nice, 20 pip drive down. But I missed that just because I decided to stop watching Asia, but it was a very, very nice play. And for now, GJ has just had a strong 15, which is looking pretty nice. Could see some GJ longs today. How's EJ looking? We don't want to miss EJ. How's it going, boys?
What's going on, man? It's been a minute.
Has been a minute. We've missed you.
Oh, I keep there it is.
But yeah, we could see some nice little. You haven't missed too much, to be fair. Only I took a trade on London on Monday.
Yeah, they were bangers.
Yeah, I didn't take any London trades yesterday.
No.
But if GJ can give us a pullback, I think we could long GJ.
I was initially looking to short GJ at that little fake resistance there.
Yeah.
Yeah, on there, but then it just kind of punched through it.
Yeah, pushing up. It's pretty strong for now. I'm surprised we didn't grab some little lows before this push up, but we did grab this 5-minute low and had that push up. So I guess that was enough. GJ. GJ's still pushing. I can't long GJ till it comes back down. Goldie's pushing. Hi Aaron. If I'm too large, you can upload it. Ah, fuck.
Make double top on the already on the gold.
Yeah, there's so many levels. So many levels.
Oh, it's okay. Ah, jeez. You thought I would learned. Just look at your chart, I would come and look first.
No, it's actually a really nice spot. That's really where I want to long into. I really want to long up into that.
Yeah.
But you guys have to bear with me. I'm trying to sort out car shit while streaming.
There's always time for that.
Always, yeah. Priorities, right?
Yeah, it is. Better you're not bringing it to Thailand.
I wish. We'll have to do a Bangkok supercar hire. that Mark sent.
Like this. Can you imagine?
In a scope, that's euro. Yeah, I was looking at euro. Right, what have I got to do here? Right, just bear with me. 2 seconds. What's everyone peeping today? What are you guys looking for?
Oh, honestly, I just woke up. No longer, you know.
Yeah.
So I'll be sleeping very well this week. Don't know why.
You got a lot on?
Yeah. I know.
We need Thailand already.
Oh, let's. Don't. Wait, honestly. I just lost the words of the weather. I really am.
Oh yeah, I seen your Snapchat. It's fucking horrible.
It's every day.
It's depressing.
Oh. Yeah, it really is. But I can't wait.
Yeah, me too.
I cannot wait.
Me too.
Was it like 3 weeks and 1 day?
Let me see. Countdown. Thailand. 21 days. 21 days. We'll be living the Thailand dream.
Yeah.
Trading.
Come on, quick.
So quick, man. I can't wait.
Trading on those beaches.
Oh.
Yes, please.
Yeah, the spots I sent yesterday were well nice, eh?
Yeah. So nice.
Gold longs. Dan, maybe not yet though. It's way too bearish for now. It's so bearish. Hourly is just pushing hard, but we've only just jumped on, so we can't take it just yet. But yeah, the daily looks like it could be creating a bottom wick, but the fact that this day yesterday didn't grab this previous daily low like we normally do before run up makes me think we actually could come lower. We're coming into the last few days of the monthly candle as well. The monthly is already respecting that 2000 level again, which is just absolutely huge. So yeah, these next few days on gold are going to be very, very key. The monthly closes on Friday, so big times. Big times. But yeah, for now, gold's just pushing down. You may see longs up into these regions up here, but I don't think that's going to come anytime soon, personally. Is that a little double bottom there? Yes, it is. Gold will probably come down, liquidate these lows, maybe retest these highs. So if we do just continue pushing down, we will fulfill that. But if we can pull back up and maybe grab this previous 5-minute wick, maybe grab these, then I would look to short it down into here. But if we take these out, then unfortunately that's still the move done. We move on gold done, and we'll have to range for a little bit. But we weren't on the charts yet, so it's no missed trade. We just kind of have to let it do its thing, find its feet. If we get pullbacks, amazing, we'll short it. If we find support down here, amazing, we could look for longs. But for now, we don't do anything on gold just yet.
Oof.
Jonah, yeah, I like that, man. Nice little trend line coming up there. I like that. What's this fucking saying? Where are we at? Yeah, we got time. We got plenty of time. What do you think of USD CAD? I don't really trade it. I'll have a brief look in a minute. I don't trade CAD pairs anymore.
No, I was just going to say, like, I can't remember the last time you did.
No, I hate CAD pairs. Anthony, yeah, I'll check Instagram after the stream, man. I will have a look.
It's GJ on the 30-minute.
Yep.
Closes.
GJ might be leaving a fat 30-minute week.
Ooh, that would be nice.
Look at it.
Yeah. Because I think we need to grab some more lows before we've broken this double top that we were trying to long into. We've now grabbed that. we're finding some resistance around here. So I do think we need to come back down and at least retest these highs. So maybe this is a false pre-London move.
It lines up nice with the fib as well.
Does it from here?
From that, there.
Yeah, nice man. Oh, where's my chart? Let me see.
DJ's in a little bit of a similar position.
Nice. Nice.
Nice level going across.
No bottom wick on this 30-minute either. Yeah, really nice level.
No.
Which is nice.
Roughly where it is now, so it's still clear. Good luck, nice.
Greetings from Argentina. First time here. Good to have you on the stream. Good to have you here. Argentinian on the stream.
That's my little country.
Your what, sorry?
That's my country.
Nice.
You know, so you speak Welsh, then?
Really?
Yeah, serious.
I don't know if you're taking the piss
Somehow.
out.
No,
Do they?
I'm telling you.
Oh, crazy. I didn't know that.
Yeah. That's why I sent that flag in for the World Cup, remember?
Nice.
France are going to win it.
Nice.
French blood. So, I won the World Cup.
Yeah, they did. I don't want to talk about it.
Like England have got a great start, though.
England are bringing it home. We haven't said when it's coming home.
Gee, Lord. There's the lead button. This
Right.
could be very nice.
In any trades at the moment? No, not yet, man. No trades yet. We just jumped on. We're looking for potential GJ shorts coming into 1625. Very nice key level for potential pullbacks. How was yesterday's close on GJ? I think it was pretty doji. Pretty doji, but previous daily candle was strong. Now we're pushing up. So daily on GJ is absolutely terrible. If you just look at GG on the daily, like it's just in this big massive range, but fortunately for GJ it's a worthwhile range to trade. So if we can get some shorts, we will take it. Oh, look at that, just broken back below 1625, which is nice, but we need to come up first before I can look for potential shorts.
No, I don't want to take out a previous 15.
No, come back. How many pipperoonies would we have down into here? Potential 40 pips, 45 pips down into there. It's not bad.
Where's your target?
If you like, come grab these lows.
That's, yeah. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Boom.
And we've got a little double bottom there as well that we never grabbed.
Very nice. Very good.
Could be nice, but we'll probably wait for the 30-minute. 30 minutes going to be juicy. Actually, look at that nice little third drive into highs. Boom, 1, 2, 3, big spike. So this 30-minute can flip bearish. Could get a pretty nice drive here, but I need to see more structure because I will not trade it with a what would that be? 25 pip stop loss for a 25 pip target. Okay. But yeah, let's just see how this 30-minute closes. But 30 minutes looking juicy. Lovely little stop hunt. false London move. Hopefully we get some volume. Oh, let's look at Alice's chart. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. Right, give me 2 seconds, guys. How's this 5 minutes? The 5 minutes going to engulf and get a nice strong fuck. Who's it? That's what you want. Now's a chance. Terry, London opens at 5 p.m. Yes, man, it's at 5 p.m. 5 p.m. Clocks have moved forward in London but stayed the same in Queensland. So
that's a little better for you.
yeah, US starts even earlier now as well, so it's nice. If I want to trade a little bit US, I can catch it. It starts at like 8:30 my time now.
And it's so much better.
Yeah, it's so much better. Yeah, I stayed up to like 1 a.m. trying to catch some longs on gold yesterday. What did you say, sorry?
No, thank you.
No, thank you. No, it wasn't fun.
But remember those days in the beginning, I used to be up like 2, 3 o'clock in the morning back testing.
Yeah, you used to send me Snapchat staying up at crazy times back testing. On that grind. On that grind. The grind don't stop. There's Nas just liquidating highs. That's pretty nice. Oh, there we go. Now I could get a push back up on gold. 30-minute. Oh, look at that. Now finding support around these levels. I won't go long yet because, you know, you're just playing these little levels. Man, I'm from US. I'm pulling these night shifts to trade.
Yes.
Nice.
It must be hard for the US people to come in from London.
Yeah, I don't know what time is it in. So yeah, in New York it's 2:30 right now.
Holy cow.
Yeah, fuck that. Being in Europe, and even here in Australia, we have the best. You can literally, well, in Europe you trade London and Asia. In Australia you can trade Asia, London, and a bit in New York as well.
Yeah, that'd be good.
Right.
I wonder what Thailand's like.
Thailand's great. So it's 1:30 p.m. in Thailand right now in Bangkok.
Oh.
Yeah.
Now you're talking.
Good morning from Lisbon, Lewis. Good to have you in the chat, man. I love Lisbon. Oh, there you go. Nice strong 5-minute close. Okay. GJ push back up, and I'm gonna look for shorts.
It is.
Push back up, and I'm gonna let me show. Let me get my account up. I need to pull up a little bit more though. I'm not having stops. I'm not trading now with stops all the way above there for a 1-to-1 risk to reward. I'm not taking a 25 pip stop loss. So I'm not doing this. I'm gonna wait for a wick up a little bit more, maybe around here, and then I'll do something like that.
It has to go up a little bit more because I'll block a bet.
Yeah.
Yeah. It has to take that out first.
Yeah, it can still push down. It can still push down and then come back up. So I'm happy to wait for that. And if we do get that, then at least, you know, we can enter somewhere here and have stops above wherever this high is going to be, as opposed to jumping the gun now and having stops all the way above there and getting a terrible risk reward. So you just need a little bit more structure. Thailand, you get all three? Yeah, Thailand's good. Thailand's good. Thoughts on AJ? I will take a look. I'll have a little look. I'm just going to see if we get a potential GJ trade here. Gold, 30-minute. Not much. We'll see. I think we could do some nice trades on gold, but not yet. Yeah, lovely 30-minute on GJ. How's EJ looking?
Yeah, EJ's nice.
Yeah, EJ's our baby. Oh yeah, EJ's got a little bit more room to break first.
Yeah, that's the level. There you go. Boom.
Nice. Boom, and then we could see a nice big play back down into maybe down here, all the way down there.
Yeah, EJ's nicer.
Yeah, I agree. Just need a closure. I won't wait for a 30-minute. I'll probably wait for maybe a 5 or a 15.
Yeah. Nice.
But yeah, I think we get some nice plays today. Some nice scalps.
I'm gonna try my new. I guess carried award.
Yeah, full margin.
We'll see now.
Full margin.
Probably be more than the full margin really am going to do it, but we'll see.
Oh, look at that. GJ now wicking back up. This is why you don't jump the gun. We don't chase. I'm going to wait for the 5 to close. But we got time. YouTube fam, drop a little like for the stream for the boys. Sorry.
Thank you.
What were you going to say, man? Sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off there.
No, that's right. You finalised the car now? You actually got it?
No, I'm still trying to sort it out. We're going back and forth. I need to give like more proof of rental and paying for rent. So now I'm trying to contact my previous landlord, who wasn't the fucking nicest of person, and they're not even replying to me now. It's just like, fuck's sake, man.
Oh.
That's what happens when you're an immigrant.
Yeah, I remember those times.
Fuck, man, it's such a ball ache.
Yeah,
But I'm hoping to pick it up this weekend.
I'd be sick. I would be sick.
Hopefully, fingers crossed. I'm just going back and forth with them now. I just got to pay.
Kate like?
Sorry, what were you going to say?
Does Kate like it?
Yeah, she likes it. She's buying a new one as well. I showed you. Yeah, she likes it as well.
Oh, she is getting one of those.
Yeah, sounds real good.
No.
Family car? No, Ron. She can get the family car. I need my sports car. When Lambo, sir. Kevin, what's going on, man? Good to have you here. No family cars. No. And the dog will not be going in my car either. That's for sure.
Oh.
Alright, how's this?
What's the Lambo? The family car Lambo?
Yours?
Yours, yeah. One of those parked next to the missus in the school run. She's like, oh, yeah, we should have one of those. Oh, yeah. You're the yellow one.
Yeah, just whip out a couple. She got on a couple $100 to spend on yours.
Yeah, we got tools, eh? Jesus.
Yeah, okay, a couple. What car? I'll send it in. Let me send it in general. Wait, I won't send it in general because I never asked what the hell you're on about. How do I send it? Can I send it here?
Yeah, you can. Maybe not.
Wait, maybe I can. Okay, I think I'll just show a picture. Where is it? Yeah, this bad boy. Wait, where are you? Oh, you're over here. There she is.
Oh.
Your boy. She sounds.
Twin turbo.
Oh, you're damn right it is.
Yes.
She sounds so sick as well.
How much is it?
Around 40?
40?
40k, yeah.
Fucking hell. Is it an M at least?
Oh, what, sorry?
Like M1?
I'll send it to you on message. Let me find the car sales link. BMW always good, yeah. It's only done like... Yeah, man, it sounds so fucking nice. It's only done like 40 km as well. It used to be kept as like someone kept as a collector, so it's been like proper looked after as well. So yeah, I'm keen to get it. I'm just trying to sort out last few final details, and I'm hoping to pick it up this weekend.
Is it a 2 Series or a 1 Series?
Ooh,
I have absolutely no idea.
2. Oh, I thought it was 1. That was weird.
I think I had a 1 Series.
I have absolutely no idea. I'll send you a link. Alad's got me into cars. This is Alad's fault. Blame Alad for making me spend 40 bags on a car. Yeah, you know how many pips that is?
Your lot size is probably about 3.
I wish.
3 pips. Poop, I'm not good.
Yeah,
close
so
the stream here.
how many pips is this? Waiting for the manager, but just as well days ago. Cool.
Yeah, Ron.
What was that?
Yeah, cash.
What did he say?
Yeah, no, you can't splash all his cash yet.
Yeah, God.
We've got Thailand. He's better.
Yeah, I got some.
Make it rain in Thailand.
Was there some news that you missed? I don't think so. Let me see. No, no news. No news. No news. Is there any later in the US? No, not really. Got a pretty clean day today. 20 baht note make it rain. Ron, you know it. You know the score. See, if gold here is taking out this previous 30-minute, which is nice. So if we now find some support and we potentially close back above this body, then you could look for longs back up into here, which would give us around 35 pips as a first target up into there. So potential, but we need to see 30-minute closure above there. So 5 minutes starting to look quite nice actually. Oh, look at that. How big would the stop loss be? Stop loss would be 17 pips for a potential 35, and then potentially to come up to grab some liquidity. Potentially a wonderful risk reward. Oh, let's see. Which broker let you withdraw from demo? I need one as well. I'll send you. I'll send you a link.
Who said that? Oh.
in Zoom chat. Yeah, we only trade demo here, boys. Only the best brokers let you withdraw that demo money.
If you could let me know also, please.
You guys just send me your money and I'll do it for you.
I'll give you a like on YouTube.
Oh, pull up a little bit more, GJ. I don't know how to doji candle, but pull up a little bit more and I'll look for shorts. I would like it to grab this. Grab that, and then I would consider shorting here with stops above wherever that high is going to be for a play down into here. Let me just set an alert just so we don't miss it. I don't like that doji candle, but it's okay. It's only a 5-minute doji. Gold. How many seconds we got to this 5 minute? We've got 14 more seconds. Let's wait. If this 5 minute doesn't flip, I'm gonna wait for another closure, and then we'll probably get a quick little boom, boom. If not, gold could push lower. But we got time. We got time. Yeah. GJ, now grab this previous 5 minute wick into these levels, and I'll consider putting this in. This could be nice here. Full margin. Full margin. Best prop farm that you recommend? Best prop firm is my Forex funds or FTMO. I think my Forex funds though. Right, go on. Grab that previous 5 minute. Had a gold just close. Yeah, no longs on gold just yet. Need gold to close maybe back above here. So let's just set an alert and watch GJ for now. No bottom wick on this 5 minute as well. We grabbed that previous 5 minute. Not yet. Little spike up more. I'm going to put this in on GJ. No, yeah, we got. We'll grab that first. You can leave that double top, and I think we grabbed that nicely. It's okay. I'm not jumping the gun. How many pips stop loss on GJ? Probably be around 10 to 12. 10 to 12. It all depends because my stop loss will be based above this 5 minute that liquidates these highs. So I won't have it up here because it doesn't need to be that big. If we're going to come all the way back up there, then I'm entering too early. So as soon as we grab these little highs, grab this little double top we've just created, then it'll be based off that. But if we leave this double top and push lower, I'm not interested. I'm sticking to my plan. But I'm pretty confident we'll wake these out first.
Yep. Have you been playing golf lately, or?
Yes, I went to the driving range last week.
Oh, yeah.
Played fantastic. I went to driving range this week. Played fucking terrible.
Nice golf.
I played this week and I was like, how the fuck can I go from last week playing so well to this week so bad? And the more that it was pissing me off, the worse I got. And I was like, yeah, golf's like fucking trading, man.
Yeah,
it really is.
You wait until you start playing 3-4 times a week. Oh
man, stressful. But It's just the feeling you get when you hit the fucking nice ball. That's like that feeling you keep fucking chasing, and then you hit it so bad you're like, fuck, this is so hard.
Yeah.
I'll go out one day, my irons will be incredible,
Yeah.
and my woods will be like I've never hit one before. Go out the exact next day, it's the exact opposite. I'm hitting 300-meter drive straight down the center, and then my irons are just shake.
Oh man, it's such a mentally challenging sport.
It's
Oh, look at that!
really
Wowee!
shit.
If we did what we did last time, I'm never using FXCM again. Did Oanda take that out? Oh, you little fucker! It did as well. Did your guys' broker take out that previous 5 minute? If I've just been played here again, I'm not going to be happy. Let me see. Did Blueberry take it out? No. See, that's what happened last time. We left a double top on FXCM, and on Oanda we took it out. Maybe we need to start using Oanda. I don't know. But it's okay.
How often did that happen? I know it's happened
fucking
last week.
yeah. Are you in short? No, I'm not in short. Can we short now? Yeah, if you want. I don't know. I don't know what your plan is. My broker didn't. No, me neither, George. Me neither. What have I just had a alert off on gold? Oh yeah, nice closure here on gold, and we go long. This is the last 5 minutes of 15. Quick little retest here, and we'll go long on gold. Right, we've got gold and GJ coming in 39 seconds. But yeah, that would have been nice.
PJ can close it. No, but then that's a bit up of that. I still don't trust it.
Goldie has to break this little minor resistance, and I'll get a quick little retest and look for a play up. Stop loss will be around 15 pips. Playing it up into these levels up here. Yeah, this is nice. Give us nice strong close. Right, I need to watch both. I'm about to go sniping.
My MT4's not loading.
Alright, 2 seconds. Oh, alright, gold needs to come and create a bottom wick, and I'm going long. GJ's still wicking the lows. Gold needs to come down a little bit more, which had a really nice closure there. So longs look good for me, but we need to wick down a little bit more. A little bit more. Alright, push down a little bit more. Come create a bottom wick on this 5 minute. GJ, no, I'm not in GJ. I would have been in GJ if this 5 minute had wicked out this previous 5 minute, but it did not, so I'm not in. Well, we did on Samba, is what it is.
Childish.
Very nice. Yeah, give us a nice push down on Goldie, and I will take this instead. Had a really nice strong push there at the last 5 minutes of the 30 minute, which is exactly what you want to see. Sorry, the last 5 minutes of the 15. Right, let me go down. So what would that be? Break above the current 5 minute, stops below previous 5 minute. Okay, I'm putting this in on gold. In. Stop loss is around 17 pips. Playing it up for a potential 30 pip target. And then this Owlie's going to be very interesting.
Good evening. Morning.
Yo.
President. Hey.
How's it going, man?
Hey, good. How are you guys?
Yeah, good, thank you, man. All good. We just got a buy order in here on gold quick. Looking for a quick, juicy play back up. Liquidate the lows. Closing like this. Not in yet.
I had I'm not too sure if it was good, but I had an entry on EJ.
Yeah.
I'll post it in there.
Nice. Oh yeah, look at that on GJ pushing back high now. Oh, this is what we want on GJ. Had that 15 close on GJ. Not yet, not yet, not yet.
Yeah. I think. Yeah. So stops back to even now.
Yep. Good man.
And I took 50% off on the close of that candle, just because we're in that range, you know.
Yep.
Oh, didn't you do it on gold?
I'm triggered in on gold, guys. I'm in at where's my entry? 196281 is my entry.
8.6 I got.
Didn't
we do it on gold?
Are you doing analysis on TradingView and using MetaTrader for execution? Yes. Yes, sir. 15 minute. We just need to survive the next 15. Look at that. 15-minute wick down the lows. Previous 15-minute wicked out the previous lows, which is exactly what you want. That's the little internal liquidity grab. No wicks to highs, so now we just need to potentially survive a little bottom wick on the 15 before then flipping back up to test these levels. But this hourly is looking beautiful. If this hourly can somehow flip bullish and hold these levels here, close above here, then we could actually get a drive much higher. So this is a very, very nice trade here. Very, very nice trade.
1965.6.
1965.6.
And further.
Yeah, and further, yeah. GJ, I don't want to miss GJ. No, nothing on GJ. How's EJ looking? Oh, look at that. Bearish push. Straight back down without breaking the lows on EJ. Very nice. Very, very nice. GJ, Ron. Yeah, GJ pushing, man. Pushing. Push in. But yeah, I'm probably gonna hold gold until the next 15 because that's the kind of whole ideology is based off the 15. So I'm not really gonna do anything until then.
I got in a bit early on GJ, but
did you?
Yeah, but it pushed down a bit. Took half off and just went break even just because I knew had that double top there. So I'm like probably gonna come grab that. So I'll just
good man.
Take my coin and run.
Yeah, good man. Good management. Very, very good management. Right, this 15-minute has to close above this level. Otherwise, if the hourly breaks it, we could come lower. So how long we got? Got 10 more minutes. The hourly was very strong, and that hourly's just retested this support and closed back bearish. So we will manage risk soon if we don't get a drive. We had really nice volume there, and then still respecting, pushing back lower for now. So this isn't what we want to see, but we kind of need to wait for this 5-minute. But if the 5-minute in the next 2 candles doesn't close above here, and then I'll cancel the trade because the hourly will be closing below this level, which isn't what we want. That's not the plan for the trade. But until then, we just kind of have to leave it open. We got 17 pip stop loss, so to me it's nice.
Yeah.
Now we wait. Let's not miss anything else in the meantime. GJ, we're gonna wait for the hourly, I think. Okay, cool. Let's just watch gold.
Yeah, if this 15-minute on GJ could break below 16242, that'd be lovely.
Yeah. Had that 15 close on GJ. Wick grabbing that previous 15. Oh yeah. Very, very interesting.
You'll see.
How's that 30-minute looking on Goldie? Yeah, 30 minutes not great. Yeah, 30-minute needs to close above as well. So we got 9 more minutes to close above. But it's nice. It's nice how we wicked out the previous 30-minute low. That's kind of what we need to do. Yeah. But then if we come back down, then we could be coming all the way back down to here. And we don't want to sit in 40 pip drawdown. So we'll cut it at 17 pips and potentially look for re-entries. But if we break above, amazing. If not, we manage.
Just don't close the stream and tell us to manage the trade, okay?
Yeah, I'll close the stream in drawdown, and then it's up to you guys. I'll leave you on your own.
That was brutal.
Yeah, so bad.
I'm gonna catch a bus and all to London. It's gonna
To London?
be so painful. Yeah.
How come?
Gatwick. Oh, no,
Oh,
Heathrow.
yeah. Yeah.
Ugh.
Hope y'all making bank. No, we're losing bank. We're losing 3 pips right now. But if this 5 minute breaks this level, then we'll be making serious bank. All the way to the moon. Someone said good morning, Alad.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey, huh?
Hey.
Alright, let's scalp the 1 minute.
Oh.
Alright, hedge some cells here on the 1 minute. Like this. Stops above here. 9 pip target. It's Mark. Oh, fucking hell. I wondered who it was. Mark, it didn't say your name. It just says MM.
What's going on, Mark? Where have you been?
I wondered who was just saying good morning to Alad for some reason. Oh, that looks nice on Euro Yen. What time's that for him? 15. Yeah, that looks real nice.
So if I can close like that, I'm in.
Yeah.
Shorts to 1422.
5 minute closes back below here. Yeah, you get a very nice drive. I might have to take that with you. Right, 5 minutes bullish,
Lost some gold.
bearish, doji. No such thing. We don't take L's.
No.
What's your TP on gold? My TP on gold will be around 35 pips. Around these levels, depending on the volume, you could actually get a drive much higher. So maybe we'll take off, 50% of this level, or maybe leave another runner. But gold has some big levels. You got some liquidity here, and you got some liquidity here. It may not do it in this trade. It may do it in US. I won't hold full margins all the way up to there. I'll play it up for just a little play up into these levels. Maybe come and grab these little highs here. But this 5 minutes just closed doji, so I can't manage yet. So now I have to wait for this 5 minute, and this is the 5 minute that's going to be the absolute key. Because if this 5 minute doesn't close above this level, then I'll cut the position because the hourly is going to break this level, and that means we could drive lower. So all eyes on this 5 minute. If this 5 minute does start to push up, maybe you can just put stops below here, because this 5 minutes grabbed this 5 minutes. So if we grab this next 5 minute again, then maybe we could actually go even lower. So if we start to break this low, I may cut it at like -9 pips. But let's see. We'll see.
Mate, I took the bus home from work, and I saw your trade. I was like, shit. And then just walked in the door. Thankfully, it's come down a little bit. I've just entered. So
Nice, you got better entry.
there we go.
Better
I sorted the position sizer in NT5, man. It's a great tool.
Oh, good man. It's amazing, eh?
Yeah, it's working nicely.
It's so clean. Makes it so quick to execute. Are we gonna? If we break this low, I think I might cut it quick. Did we just break it, motherfucker? No, left a little double bottom.
No, not on. No, it's just being like a child.
Yeah, we need that volume. We're respecting it though. We did just leave a little weird double bottom. Got 4 minutes to the open as well. Yeah, we're on 4 minutes to the open.
It did take it out on mine.
Oh, it did it.
A wonder.
Oh.
A wonder. I'm on a wonder gold.
Yeah, me too.
What are you on?
Same.
Oh, you are, yeah. Mine's. I took it out.
If we do break that low, I think I will cut it though, because then we could actually come down even lower. And if we grab it and then push higher, then I think I'll wait for maybe something like this and do that. Rather than predicting we're going to break the resistance, if we're not doing it like it looked like we were going to, then we should react to that. So if we get a push up here, as soon as we get a push up, I'm going to bring stops to around 10 pips, which is very nice. So we've already taken like 50% off the table. Oh, that's one pipperoni.
I entered shorts in EU about the same time you got in on that long, and then I cut it break even, trying to manage the trade, and now it's about 75% of the way to where my TP would have been.
Oh man, that's painful.
Look, I'm still.
Oh yeah, I'm out of gold here, boys. I'm out at -10 pips. I'm gonna wait for a little bit more. I don't think it makes sense to keep stop loss all the way down here. If we were going to have a drive, we would have driven already. So the fact that we're stalling so quick, I'm happy to cut it, and I'm going to wait to re-enter if we get a quick boom.
You might get a better entry doing that as well. So
Yeah, I think so, man.
could work out well.
Yeah, I agree. So I'm happy to cut it. I cut it there at minus 10 pipperoonies. I got to wait for a little bit more. 5 minute was looking beautiful, high volume, and then respected that, doji. So yeah, I'm not going to leave stop loss open. I'm going to cut it there, cut your losses quick, and if we get the re-entry, amazing, we can get it. That 15 minute looking.
Yeah, I just got out as well.
Good man. Did you cut it? You're probably basically break even.
Yeah.
Good man.
Much.
Good man.
Yeah, I got a little bit of better entry than you did, I think.
Good man. Very nice. Yeah, if we get closure back above, amazing, we'll just re-enter. But for now, we got to trade what we see. We got support, broken, resistance, so we have to manage that. Then if we do again, then amazing. We do the same thing again, and we go again. But I'm not here to take 50 pip stop losses, anything like that. I'm not going to sit in drawdown for the sake of sitting in drawdown. If we don't have the volume, we have to accept that. We got plenty of time to enter this. We can even wait for this. Yeah, see, 50 minute was looking great, and then it's just gone doji. We got 1 more minute to this candle, and this hourly close isn't going to break the level that we wanted. So we may come down, maybe grab this hourly one more time, who knows. But now we can't do anything until we close above this key level. So that was good trade management there. Let's see, we'll leave our original stop loss to see how it would have played. But yeah, we're out of this. We are out at minus 10 pipperoonies.
DJ might come actually tag that high that we just created because it lines up nicely with a
Oh, look at that.
a wick from behind.
Flip on EJ. EJ 5 minute just goes back below the level.
No, the 50 minute is looking nice. I'm gonna enter.
Yeah, that's looking pretty. That's looking pretty sexy.
It is.
Is GJ looking nicer or is EJ looking nicer?
Yeah, to me. It'd be interesting to see your view.
EJ. Yeah, EJ's looking much nicer, man. Much nicer. Yeah, she could take a half. I'm gonna put in this at half risk actually. This is a riskier trade, but it makes sense. Yeah, if we don't flip bearish, then we don't get triggered. If I can get it up in time. Let's see. I'm not got it in yet. Not yet. Where was stop loss? Stop loss would be around 1428. 1424, call it.
Gold's hitting around where your stop loss was too.
Was it? Nice. Yeah, beautiful. Look at that. Very, very good management there. Cut the trade here. Would have ended up hitting full TP, so that's very, very good trade management. No, I'm not in any orders on EJ just yet. If the 5 minute breaks back above this high, then we'll probably drive higher. So it's just bullish, bearish, retest, bullish. So yeah, no volume. But let me just break down EJ for just a quick little recap. Sorry, not EJ, gold. Gold for a quick little recap and the reasons that I cut my trade early. And this is the reason that you have to manage your trades, and the only way you keep your losses small and your wins big is if you manage your positions like this. And this is the reason I didn't take full stop. Took like half a risk stop loss there, and if I didn't, it would have been full stop loss. So reason for wanting to go long is we were coming into the last few minutes of the hourly candle. We had liquidated the lows. Really strong 5 minute push up, looking to have that continuation, that volume in the hourly to break this level. Then as we respected it, as we do this is the point where you have to be super neutral in your position. Regardless of if you think it's going to break the level, you can trade that, but when it doesn't do that, you have to accept it, manage your position, and if you get the setup, take the other side. But in this situation, there was no setup to take the other side, but there was a setup for me to manage my position. Now, the reason that I was happy to put my stop loss here at 10 pips is because this 5 minute here had grabbed this 5 minute low. So if we were going to have a drive up, we would respect that and leave a nice 3-pin pattern. But the fact that we then broke that again, for me, was like, yeah, cool. We've broken that low again. We're going to cut the position and we're probably going to have a drive down even lower. And this is driven down even more. So went from having like a 17 pip stop loss at 1% risk to cutting it at like, I think I got out about, how many dollars? Like 0.4. So I got out there at minus $500, so very, very happy with that. Very, very happy with that. So great trade management, trading exactly what we see. Very good work. You know, most traders would now just be sitting in this drawdown for the sake of sitting in drawdown, because not many traders know how to manage their positions, and most people ignore trade management. But if you read stories about professional traders and they keep their losses small and they have their winners run, you can't keep your losses small if you just have 1% risk and you just say fuck it and let it hit stop loss. So trade management is very, very important. But now we're just going to wait. Hourly's wicking out the previous hourly low one more time, which is very nice. So I still think there's potential opportunities for re-entries, but we're not going to jump the gun just yet. But we can easily make back the 10 pips that we lost there. Yeah, EJ pushing higher. No short in EJ just yet.
Got 1 minute to do something.
Yes, sir.
Is this a fake London?
Yeah, maybe. Could get some nice volume, some nice closure. Oh yeah.
Closes below there, that'd be nice.
Yeah. Gold retesting soon. Yeah, gold still has a lot of opportunity.
GJ is leaving a fat 5-minute wick. Has got no 15 wick either, or 30 or hour.
Oh yeah, look at that. Solid. Yeah, we'll wait for a few more 5 minutes.
Good call on gold, man.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Really.
Really good trade management there. Yeah, so we'd probably, I still would rather wait for gold to close above this level. Close above here, quick little retest, and if we get signs of volume, then amazing, we'll just do the exact same thing again. But let's see, we'll wait. How's that? But wouldn't the gold trade have been absolutely against the current trade? I'm not so confident in these trades against the trend. How do you mean against the trade? So, like, the whole reason was because the hourly was finding this support here. So you got this resistance, support. So my whole kind of ideology was that the last few minutes, this candle was going to flip bullish and close back above this level. Then we could have had a nice drive up into that range. But as we started to stall around this level on the last few 5 minutes, then that told me that the hourly isn't ready to break that just yet. So we're probably going to close below it and have that drive lower. So whole reason was just, support, resistance, very simple, pushing up, coming back down for a retest, potentially just to come in to grab some highs before then potentially going lower. But no, for me, it's not against the trend, because I still think gold has liquidity to come and grab for pulling back before then going lower. And I mean, like, the whole overall trend on gold right now is just very, very messy anyway, on pretty much all time frames. So it wasn't, I mean, it was against, you could say, the intraday trend of this little move, but then you could say you got the upper trend here as well. So it's just looking for this, potential boom continuation back up to here. So yeah, no, it was good for me. It was very, very nice. 15-minute close really strong, wicking out the lows, no bodies to the highs, looking for that momentum to continue. But then we just stalled around that key make or break level and pushed lower. But no, it was a very, very valid trade for me. Hopefully you guys took it and managed it well as well.
What are you doing now? Oh, it's 15.
Bro, GJ.
15.
Yeah, boy.
GJ.
Yen pairs are teasing us. They're saying, Aaron, jump the gun, take the trade.
Yeah. No, I've still got that order in.
Nice. It's still good.
But the only thing is, stop loss would have to be above there. And is it worth it then?
Where's your chart? Sorry, let me see. Draw. Did you draw it on mine? So I missed it, man.
No, I couldn't. No.
Go on. Get the drawings on my screen. Get them
I
on.
wanted it to close below there.
Yeah.
But now that body is
Look
closed
here.
above, it's just like, ugh.
Yeah, I agree, man. I agree.
Because it could come down and retest that, and then just shoot.
If we do get a closure below, though, I still think it could be nice. How was the Owly? Yeah, Owly still, look at that. Owly's really nice. Had that resistance, broke back above, wicked out the highs, closed back below. Yeah, I think this is good. A nice strong 5-minute close, and I think we're short. Jack Gold is going. Oh yeah, nice. It's a good trade. You guys looking for sales on GJ? Potentially GJ or EJ. Recently, EJ has been nicer to me, so I may just look for EJ instead. Yeah, GJ kind of is a bit messy. EJ to me looks cleaner. But I do need it to break back below this level, and I kind of want to see a little bit more volume.
Yeah.
Ooh. Alright, let me get ready.
To the close. Yeah.
Stop loss would be 20 pips. Not bad. Not bad.
That's the only trouble I got.
Because like targets is kind of like here, so it's like it's almost a negative risk to reward. Yeah, first one. Yeah. I would prefer like a closure and then like this to then.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Oh, okay.
To then get that to then go like this. You know that move?
Oh yeah.
That setup that we always take.
Yeah, that's join the community and you'll learn about those candles, guys. Can.
But yeah, well, we're not going to do anything till that 5-minute close is a no sir for me.
No. I can't order.
Good man.
Oh, Jesse, you're killing me, brother. You're killing me.
He's sitting in the sun.
Yeah. Fucking blue skies.
Hey.
Fuck.
That's
How's it going, man?
I've forgotten what blue sky looks like.
Oh man, what spot?
What? That's disgusting.
Is that?
Nice.
Where are you?
This is perfect.
Yeah, stunning, man. He's in Koh Samui in Thailand,
Ah, right.
Oh,
living the dream.
jeez.
The other half live.
Hey?
That's what happens when you don't take 10 pip losses on gold. You can live that life. Everyone join Jesse's Telegram group.
One can only dream.
Actually, so good. The hours are so much better than back home too.
What is it? Is it 2 o'clock there now?
Yes.
Yeah.
2 till 5 is like my trading hours.
It's perfect, man.
So good.
Yeah, it's so good. I honestly think Thailand's probably one of the best time zones I've had.
Yeah, it's so good.
5 o'clock, get on it.
New York's like 7.
It must be like what 6? Like 6 for you, maybe? Or 6 or 7? Yeah, nice. Is it above DX1 of 5 minute? Let's have a look. Ooh. Give us a fucking. Alright, we would have been tagged in probably here if we were in this.
Yeah.
So this is the last 5 minute of the 15. So this is the very important candle because the 15 looks damn juicy. It's damn juicy.
It'd be nice if you had another candle like the 15.
Yeah.
Like 2 candles. Oh.
I'm not in this, by the way.
Hello.
I'm not in. But that's nicer because now you just had that candle. You can have stops there as opposed to needing it all the way up here.
Yeah.
If we were still in this, we would have put this in. But I'm not in this.
No, I can't submit.
I'm gonna wait for the 5 minutes. I just don't want to be dicked around in low volume like it's teasing us. I want nice clean volume, nice big drives.
Yeah. That's what I wrote in my journal.
Good man.
With all of them.
GJ on the 30 minutes awful. I won't trade GJ until we get a breakout. 30 minute on EJ, it's not great, but it's shaping up for a nice move. So potentially come and retest these highs for a potential 50 pip roonies. Even with a half risk, it's not a bad little play. You take half risk, you catch it down to here, you still catch 25 pips full risk. But we have to wait. I need a strong 5 minute bearish closure for more so for signs of volume. That's all we need. Look at that, we can back up. Gold. Oh yeah, nice. Gold still finding that support. Just broken this little level though, so we would need a little closure. We got time. We got time. YouTube fam, feel free to drop a little like, ask over some trading questions as we wait. We got plenty of time. I'm not going to call it a stream anytime soon. I need to revenge trade back my minus 10 pips on gold.
Yeah, I'm still kicking myself. EU would have hit my full TP.
Oh man, don't do it to yourself. That's horrible.
Bloody hell.
Oh, but look, it's all hindsight, isn't it? At the time, it was the right thing to do, so that's all that matters. Same as gold, it just didn't have the volume there.
Yeah. Even on EJ, EU, you can see it did have a nice drive down, but it's just so like get nice pushes and then instant support.
Yeah. Yeah, you're on the 5 there. I pretty much took my short like right here, and then got out here. So,
that was a good shout.
Yeah, it took the high on that wick, and then I just went. It just didn't have the volume to drop, so I got out at break even.
Nah, that was good. That was good management. I think, man, I would have done the same. Do you use position size calculator? Yes, I do. I use one that's called position size calculator. I'll send you guys on YouTube the link. How do I send? Where is it? Here. I'll show you guys the one that I use. It's amazing. It's amazing because I can't get my magic key set up. So maybe we'll do a giveaway for the magic keys.
With that risk calculator, is there a keyboard shortcut or something to like reset your stop loss and take profit? Because if it's been open all day, or like even if I close my computer and open it up, it'll still be set from where I had it yesterday.
Yeah.
Go like the 4 hour and scroll out. And...
I sometimes just close it and reopen it every day.
Yeah.
Because sometimes you'll even go on your MT4 and like for some reason you just can't drag the stop loss. I found sometimes. So like if I just close it and reopen it, it's usually back to normal. But yeah, it keeps them in the same place.
I might know the solution to that.
Nice.
There's when you click the buttons, if they go grey, that means it's draggable, and if it's not grey, it means it's not draggable. And there's one for your stop loss.
Nice. Nice. Let me see.
Or is it only your take profit that's draggable?
See, I can drag my stop loss. I always have I never have a. Oh shit! Let me get my charger, guys. Sorry, 2 seconds. Hey, buddy. Watch out the way, man. Stay there. You can't come in. Alright. We're back. Let me get this in. Oh, gold. Look at that. Gold. Still need a little bit more, but gold longs is still looking juicy to me. Did we grab these lows here? Yeah, we did. Very nice. But I still kind of need a stronger 15. I can't fucking plug this in. Holy shit. Apple need to make longer charge. There we go.
Axe has had a big drop.
Oh, yeah. As soon as gold closes back above, we go for longs again. EJ, nothing just yet. Still looking nice to me though. But I'm really keen on gold. Are you in EJ shorts? No, man, not in EJ shorts. Not anything just yet. I'm waiting for closures to go long on here on gold, because gold has now just grabbed this low all the way down here, which is very, very nice. Now we need a closure back above this little level here. Call it, say, around there with that low. These highs fake out, support, broken. Maybe we're testing as resistance to go lower, or maybe we close above, retest, and drive all the way up into here. So we just need to wait for a 15 closure, and we can get a potential 60 pipperoonies. Do you think the 1959.5 for a long was good? 1959.5. My level here, yeah. If you were able to catch it, that level was very nice, very simple. But I personally don't just buy the second it comes into support. I personally wait for the 5 closures and reactions to that level. So you have to try and eliminate predicting. Why are you just creeping at me in the door? If you want to come in and say hello and get your claim to fame, you can. Come on.
You must get his Instagram up there.
Come on then. Wait. Come on then. Oh, fuck, you need to lose weight.
Follow me on Instagram.
Right, we got a new trading in the building. If the signals don't go good, they're not mine. What are we doing? Are we longing? Shorting?
Brother's on a losing streak.
Yeah, Sammy, your signals haven't been good recently, mate. Yeah, I know. Markets are quiet, aren't they? I thought it was going to be your girlfriend. Alright, how's a 5 minute looking, Sammy? Oh yeah, juicy. Very nice. How long we got? 2 seconds.
I wanted to close above.
Yeah, nice. Now come. Is it looking good? Alright, it's looking good. Fucking hell. Alright. Jesus. Yeah, me too. Me too. Sammy said it's looking good though.
No, Sammy, you might be right, your best. It's got the nap.
Are you bored?
Anyway, lad.
Yeah, I like this. I think we just need to get a little bit more of a closure, because this is our level we were watching from before, and this is the level we reacted off before. So because if we enter now, stops are just a bit too big. I don't like my stop loss all the way down there.
No.
So you maybe get away with 20 pips, but I can't just put stop loss on a random level. It has to make sense. So I'd like to drive down a little bit more and then break, and then we can get stop loss based around that level.
Yeah.
What do you think, Sammy boy?
19,
What do you think, boy? We're long and gold.
Very good. Don't press the magic keys, boy.
Yeah, this is why I don't have magic keys set up, because this boy presses buttons. Alright, you gotta go. Sorry, we're gonna make some bank. Otherwise I can't feed you. Alright, go on. Go play with your non-existent friends. Goodbye. Oh, sorry. Go on. Okay, he wants to lie there. Just don't cross the wire, because every time you stand on wire, the screen goes. But you can stay there.
Is he ever on Suva?
No, he's good like that. that's just the missus that answers back. She's not here, I'm allowed to say it. I can get away with it.
I'm gonna say it. Yeah. It's good like that in work. They don't answer me back either. Except for that bonkers one where I send you videos all the time.
Oh man, it looks hectic. I don't know how you do it.
Bonkers.
Gold long now. Depends. If you want a 26 pip stop loss, you can take the break of the high. But I personally don't want to take a 30 pip stop loss. It's too big for me. Too big. I want a more refined entry. But if we close above and then retest, then my stop loss will be below wherever that liquidity grab is. So it's more confirmed, and I get a nicer risk to reward. 100 lots.
Be hearing that from Thailand. It's too big for me.
39 likes, YouTube fam. Drop a little like, get us to 40 likes, and gold will go to the moon. But this is the reason that we're not long in yet. It has to close above this resistance. Otherwise, we could just do what we're here, respect it and go lower. So we don't want to trade it in this little minor 10-12 pip range. We need to wait, don't we, Sammy? Don't we need to wait? Yes. Yes, we do. So yeah, I need a nice closure. Grab the previous 5 minute, and then on the break of the high, stops will be below that, and then amazing. We get a nice drive. A nice drive for the boys. Yen pair shaping up yet? No, not yet.
No, I got an alert set on yen, euro yen. So
Nice.
I'm just growing my arm in here,
Good.
waiting. Yeah.
Antonio, tonight I shall watch all your past lives. Need to understand what you see so I can be on the same page. Yeah, absolutely, man. Do that. I've tried to recap them as much as possible so you don't have to sit through the whole entire thing. So I recapped last week's trades. I recapped the ones before. I try and recap them as much as possible. But last week we had 60 pips on gold last Friday on the YouTube stream, which was beautiful. And we also had like 100 and we called this ridiculous move on EJ. Where was it? Yeah, we called this ridiculous sell on EJ on stream last Friday. But I closed here at break even after we went doji along with news. I cut the position literally here and then bam, slammed down like 100 pips. But the technicals were amazing, and I recapped it in the trade recap that went up on Sunday. But yeah, we've got some absolute bangers on stream. So even on the streams where I don't take any trades for the rare ones, there's still so much value, man. So much value. Yeah, no closure, no trade. We have to wait. Now we're coming into the last 5 minutes of the 30. So how's this 30 starting to look? Yeah, 30 has to break this level for me. Some people would trade it now with the stops there, but to me that's ridiculous. 30 has to close above. The giggle says it all.
I still can't believe that message.
Yeah, it's terrible.
And how many people are watching?
Oh man, a lot.
What's he doing?
I wish I had answers. No, I don't. I don't want to trade like that. Let me see. Put us in here.
That's a dick move.
Hey.
That's a dick move. That's
Yeah.
not nice at all.
Nah.
Especially with new people and their emotions.
Hell no.
After a 12-year-old girl. Like, you know.
It's true though.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, see, now you could get something like this instead. But it's true, unless you're trading.
Can you play me Oasis?
Who?
Yeah, Carl, he's playing the guitar.
Oh.
Yeah, Wonderwall by Oasis, please.
Liquidity guys makes most sense to me, so I'm gonna try full send that. Yeah, good man. Liquidity grabs are the absolute key. Have I been to Noosa? Yeah, Alien, I have. I've been to Noosa. It's very, very nice. One of the nicest spots I've been to in Australia so far. I love it up there. Please check GU. Yeah, I'll check it in a sec. I'm just watching gold like a hawk because I think we're gonna get some nice pushes here. I'm even debating putting this in. As soon as we start to find the support, now stops can go below this low, anticipating that 30 minutes is going to close above, but I'm not going to put it in just yet because we still got 2.5 minutes till this 5 minutes is going to close, so it can still push down more. But yeah, that's the reason that we didn't jump in longs, like I said again, because then you go straight back into drawdown because you're longing right at resistance, which makes absolutely no sense. You have to close above resistance, test the support to go long. Otherwise, you're longing at a level where you should be going short. Yen pair's looking nice. Absolutely horrible. Okay, Looks like it's just Goldie today. Goldie. Let me check GU quickly. As long as gold doesn't flip. If gold flips, you owe me money. A lot of money. Right, GU. GBP USD. Let's do a little bit of top down on GU. I haven't traded this pair in a while. Ooh, GU looks nice for a potential push higher. Grabbing all the lows. Respecting this level, broken, respecting. GU could have a push. Will someone let me know if gold flips so I don't miss it, please?
No, it's still dropping. You're all good.
Cool, thank you, man.
I'm not good at that.
Yeah, if you get a... I mean, you probably have to, if you get a long GU, it's very, very messy. Like, look how messy this is. You probably have to get a closure above here to then long it up into these highs, but it's messy. 15 minute, look at that, 15 minute is just pure low volume. Bearish, bullish, doji, bearish, bullish. That's the biggest sign of low volume, and when you try and trade shit like this is where you get chopped up. Most of my losses have come from trying to trade charts when there's low volume. So whenever I see the candles flipping so quick like that, I just stay out. You have to have volume. You can have amazing technicals, but for intraday trading, if you don't have any volume, then you can't take the trade. Does staying in drawdown make sense if you can afford to lose the amount? I saw a YouTuber who was in 60 pip drawdown with no emotions. There's nothing wrong with being in drawdown. There's absolutely nothing wrong with being in drawdown. But if you're in drawdown for the sake of being in drawdown and you're not managing your position, then for me that's not my style. There's something wrong with that. Exactly like this gold trade that I took here. I could have had my stop loss all the way down here. And sat in, what did we come down to? Sat into lows of 37 pip drawdown. But if I'm going to sit in 37 pip drawdown, then I need to be making at least 70 pips. I'm not going to sit in 30, 40 pip drawdown to make 10, 15 pips. To me, that makes no sense. I prefer to cut my position early and take the other side. Like, you cut your position here, you manage it, and then if you get the shorts, amazing. Take the shorts, but don't just sit in drawdown for the sake of sitting in drawdown. I personally, if I'm intraday trading, I will never ever sit in 60 pips drawdown. Ever. Never, ever, ever. The max I will take is 20. Max. I personally don't sit in 60 pip drawdown. But if you're sitting in, if your stop loss is 60 pips to make 60 to 100, then sure. But if your stop loss is 60 pips to make 10 pips, then you're never gonna. How do I say it? You're never gonna.
You're never gonna. If your wins aren't gonna outweigh your losses, like, it never will.
No.
Well, I wouldn't say never will, but
it's
like it's just it's difficult because he's clearly doing it right at the moment. But I don't know. I wouldn't be comfortable.
It's not. No. It's if. I think, like, if your trade needs a 70 pip stop loss for a day trade, bearing in mind, for a day trade, you're entering the trade too early. You're not waiting for confirmation. You haven't refined your plan, but you're getting refined entries. You cannot be taking a 70 pip stop loss to make 10, 20 pips. Because, and this is why some trading YouTubers have on their charts 10 Ws and 1 L. But if that 1 L is 60 pips and then wins a 10 pips, then you're not profitable unless you're doing over a huge amount. But that's so misleading because people go on your stream and see, oh my God, he's made 10 wins and only 1 loss. He must be incredibly profitable. Well, not if his 1 loss is like 70, 60 pips and his winners are 10 pips. Then that's like almost back to being fucking square one, back to break even.
And that's a different ball game, right? If you're at, say, 50 grand, and then one trade knocks 95% of that out, then holy cow. But, I don't think even a good golf game and a few beers afterwards. I don't think that could even smooth that emotional roller coaster I've been on. Holy cow. You'd have to slap the missus about as well, I think. I don't do it.
And like, if you have, like, say, if you have a stop loss like this, you know, you got your TP there, there's absolutely nothing wrong with taking that and sitting in drawdown if your plan is to play it all the way up into these highs. But if you take this and you risk 1 to 2% and you secure profit here, that's 0.3%. That's absolutely terrible. So that's why most people that trade like this trade fixed lots as opposed to trading risk percent, because if you trade risk percent, man, it's going to take you how many trades, what, like 2, 3, 4 winners just to make 1%? Hell no.
It is difficult also because he does make bank. But it's just
effort. Yeah, literally. It works for some people, but for most people it does not work. Especially people who are trying to do funding firms and a trading funded accounts. You cannot trade like that. You will blow your account because you'll break the daily drawdown rules.
Yeah, exactly.
But for everyone asking, it's quite clear we're talking about Don Vogt, and this is not me saying anything against him because I think he's a fantastic trader and he trades his strategy very, very well. But for me, it's just not my style, and it's as simple as that. It works amazing for him, and that's awesome. He's a fantastic trader and seems like a good dude. But for me, it's just not my style. I personally will not sit in 60 pip drawdown to make 10, 20 pips. But it works for him, and that's amazing. And that's all that matters, right?
Which is his actual Instagram page? There's like that many of them.
I think it's Don Vogt.
How do you spell it? But like I say, he's a good trader, and he trades that style very, very well, and he's crafted that style very, very well. It's just not for me, and I don't think it's for most people. I personally
learned off. Yes.
Yeah. I prefer to be more refined. More refined. More. Yeah, like it's very easy to say, oh, you know what, guys, I just made $3,000. But to most people, it's completely unrelatable. Like, well, that means absolutely nothing to me. How did you decide? Sorry, man, go on. Before I answer that.
There's a few people have asked me about it, my mates and stuff, and I asked them, like, would you risk £100, $100, 100, whatever, on, say, Man U beating Liverpool, and you'd gain £3 back? And you're like, no, that's stupid.
Yeah.
Well, that's what he does. That's basically, he risks like 15, 20 grand to gain 3 to 5 to 10 grand.
And he does it well. That's the thing.
He does.
It's amazing.
He does.
I like him a lot, but I say you have better risk management. Doesn't matter if you're profitable. Yeah, thank you, man. Yeah, that's like I say. I think he's a great dude as well. For 21 years old, I believe he is. He's incredibly knowledgeable. Way more knowledgeable than I was at 21 years old. And he's very profitable at what he does. So, all props to him. He's amazing at what he does, that's for sure. I couldn't sit in the, not that he always sits in drawdown because I think it's quite rare for him, but I personally couldn't sit in that big drawdown. Just mentally and psychology. I just prefer to be a little bit more refined, but that's just me. But he trades his plan very, very well. And that's what it's all about, right? Trading your plan and trading how you see the markets. Goldie's little mini left shoulder head, right shoulder here on gold. Still got to break this neckline for me though. 30 minute.
Yeah, it's still 30 of me. It's still failing to break above that level, so we just gotta wait a little bit more. The mental strength you must have to be in that drawdown must be insane. Yeah, it's incredible, man. It's amazing. That's like I say, I couldn't do that. So props to him on that side as well. I prefer to cut my trades quicker, and just be a little bit more patient. And you know, I wait for more price action to have a calculated stop loss per se. Better risk reward feels more manageable. A peace of mind when traders. That's each their own. Yeah, I'm the same, Daniel, man. That's literally it. Each to their own. But yeah, I'm the same. I need a better risk to reward. You don't have to have. Thing is, most Instagram traders now just have unrealistic risk to rewards. Like retail traders have taken risk to rewards to the whole next level that is completely unnecessary. Like you can just trade a 1-to-1 or a 1-to-2 risk to reward and be profitable. You don't need to, you know, you see people on Instagram with, you know, entries here, stop losses here, and targets all the way up here. And I can guarantee you, no one is holding that full risk all the way to the top. So I don't do unrealistic and ridiculous risk rewards, but I kind of like to do, you know, maybe 1-to-2, 1-to-3 for intraday trading.
There's a trader, Doyle English or something like that from the US. He gets like 1-to-1s, if
nice.
not maybe a bit more.
Yeah.
But like you rarely see him lose. He's killing it.
Yeah, it's good. I think I've seen him before. Is it Doyle Exchange? I think I've seen.
Yeah, that's the one.
Yeah, I've seen him on Instagram
and
before.
He shows his losses as well. So like,
nice.
Yeah, he's pretty good.
Nice. I need to be more efficient when putting in trades when they all have potential entries at the same time. Do you have any advice on that? Do you mean, Antonio, do you mean like if you see multiple setups on multiple pairs and you take multiple entries at the same time? If so, how long we got? We got 10 more seconds here on gold, yeah. How's that 15 looking? We're going to break this little neckline here. Got this left shoulder, head, right shoulder. This is the neckline. Close above here, and I'm very keen to long gold. 20 pips stop loss. I need a little bit more.
Yeah, Blake's got a nice trade on EU.
Oh, let me see. Wait, did you post it in Discord?
Yeah,
Discord.
Let me see, man. Let me see.
There's no signal.
Oh, mate, I don't even trust myself with my own trading, let alone. I'm really struggling today though. Like, I'm getting in trades and I'm just pulling myself out early. Like, because that one didn't meet all the criteria. And I don't know if it's because I'm doing the challenge account and my mental game's all over the place. Like I'm out at break even. I got out at break even on that because it reversed. Like normally I wouldn't have moved it completely to break even that quick.
Yeah.
I would have just tightened the stop loss, but
yeah, it's kind of, it's just a kind of like adapting to what it does after you go break even as well. Like break even has to be very calculated as well. Like for me, I can only go break even once price has fully cleared my like entry level. Like yeah. I won't go to break even because I like the look of the pip amount or I like the look of the dollar amount. I'll only go to break even if prices, you know, say if we're in this trade, you know, let's just say for whatever reason we're in longs right now. Say if we're in gold longs for whatever reason here right now. I can't go break even here because gold needs to come back down and retest this level, and my entry is at a level where we've broken and not yet retested. So if I go break even and then price comes down, takes me at break even and then just absolutely shoots, then I'm going to be pissed, right? So break even, yeah, has to be calculated and it has to only be when price has fully cleared your entry. Or if you just don't like the look of the volume, then there's nothing wrong with that as well. If you don't like the look of the volume and it's not following the momentum that you had planned out, then if you manage your position, then that's good as well.
Yeah. I don't know if you remember last week, there was a trade that would have been on EU, I assume, and I hit full stop loss and you looked at it and then you said, oh yeah, look, it's taken a liquidity here and it didn't have the volume to move. That's really, I did that today. That's what I did on the last trade that still ended up hitting full take profit, which I'm upset I did because it's the right thing to do. But
Yeah, that's the thing. As long as you stuck to the plan, then like with me with that EJ trade last week, like I missed this absolute banger, but in my opinion, I'm still very happy with this. Like, although I closed it at break even, I was able to read the technicals and I reacted to what I was seeing at the time. So as long as only thing is for me is anything I could have done different is once we actually broke that support, then I could have just re-entered again. But you got to let the market show you their cards and show you that the volume's there. So if you get an entry and it dojis, doesn't really break, but then eventually it does break and you get a quick little retest and an entry, then you just have to take that again, and then it's more confirmed. That's the only thing. Oh, look at gold is ripping, man.
Jesus, I know.
Ripping. Rip in. How's that 15-minute looking? 15 minute looking juicy. Antonio, I would take both if they're both valid, but I'd only take 2 at a time. I wouldn't take any more than that. Might be dumb, but what do you mean by break even? Just like closing the trade break even, or putting your stop loss to break even so you can't take a loss. Right, come back down, Goldie. Give us an entry so we can take the trade. How long we got? We got 50 more seconds till this candle's going to close. This 5 minutes going to be really interesting.
Yeah, I don't want to take a close like that, bro.
No, you mean either.
On your chart, is it there? There's the same. There's no wick to the lows there, so it's going to take that out as well.
Yeah, at some point, yeah, we're going to come back down and grab that. Ding, grab that. Bing, boom, bing, boom, done, bank. Get that bread.
Boom, got a bing.
Tempted to go short now. Yeah, it is a bit annoying because it is at that level. So like, I'm looking over here, like these levels, these wicks. So you got support, broken, fake out, broke above. Support here. Now we got that resistance. Ugh. Gold is testing our patience today, that's for sure. Because if we had taken this entry, we would have banked 20 pepperoonies. But let's see. As that 15's just closed as well. As the 15. Oh yeah, nice close. Back above all of these levels. Very nice.
To be honest, there's not even an entry on the 1 minute on gold.
On that push?
Yeah.
Nah.
Not really. Not for me.
No, I agree.
There's no.
Oh, look at that. Coming straight back down. Yeah, we're just gone from one range to another range to, there's no jump out clear levels just yet. I still do think, we're going to come up and retest some levels here. But the fact that this is, bam, straight back down, I ain't jumping in that.
That's cray.
Yeah, wild. From just playing one range to the other.
Might as well just go to bed now.
Yeah, may as well, man. Holy shit. Advice to take the leap into trading full time with a funded account. You need more than one funded account. I don't know how many you have, but you need more than one funded account. And you need to be trading that funded account for at least a couple of months consistently. It's very easy to, want to go full time as soon as you get that one funded account, but it's also incredibly risky because the statistic of you getting funded and then blowing that account is also very, very high. I have blown funded accounts before. It's very, very likely that you end up blowing it. So I would have a backup of money and a backup of some other accounts as well. For me, one funded account isn't enough to go full time in trading. Even if it is, 200k, don't get me wrong, you can make amazing returns from that, but trade it consistently. And, pull out consistent months, pull out consistent money. Hey, Aaron from Sydney.
My
Nick,
Forex.
how's it going, man? Sorry, man. What did you say?
I was just about to say, my Forex funds released all their statistics for February.
Oh yeah.
They paid out 14 million. I think
Damn.
it was 19% past the phase 1.
Yeah.
And then out of that 19%, 45% past phase 2.
Yeah.
And then it was something shocking, like 9% got a payout.
That's crazy, man. The statistics are
9%.
mental.
So yeah, whatever that works out to be, it's like 9% of 8% of people who actually take the challenges.
Yeah, so low. So low. But to pay out 14 mil in Feb, that's pretty fucking impressive.
Yeah.
Holy
Being like
shit.
0.2% of people.
Yeah, fucking hell. That's a pretty crazy statistic.
With those statistics, and they're paying out 14 mil, how much are they taking in?
Yeah.
Oh my
Like to see
God.
numbers rather than percentages.
Fucking hell.
Oh,
I'm funded since August with now almost 700k, and I'm still working full time. I'll wait until I got 50k in my bank from trading. Yeah, amazing. That's the way to play it. No rush, man. No rush. Building 50k in your bank, 700k funded is amazing. Amazing. Build up that
Smart
personal. Yeah, very smart guy. Very, very smart.
Part time.
Yeah,
That's what I'm doing.
yeah.
That's what I'm doing. I'm going part time in my job. So
That's what you want to do.
especially now that summer's coming, I'm gonna go part time.
Good man.
Got more time to trade, and more importantly, more time to golf.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But the,
wow, school time there, cheapest.
but that is go on, give it to us, Alex. Put out of misery.
You what, sorry?
Your handicap.
What's your handicap?
Disabled.
Talking about you on a Friday night.
It's 14.7 at the moment, but this is my third year playing, so.
Very impressive.
But to be fair, the times I have played this year, I've been 9 to 11 over. So
Yeah.
yeah.
You're,
On Tuesdays, Jack.
Jack was cutting out for me.
I don't know. No, I'm looking forward to taking Aaron's money in Thailand. So
Absolutely not. I'm getting them lessons in every day till Thailand. Daily golf lessons.
You are.
Nah.
No, it's fine. Yeah. But fuck, Aaron's been quiet on social media lately.
Coming to Thailand's like, oh, I've never really played too much. Being in lessons every fucking day.
Fucking ripping him down now. Yeah, you can fuck right off.
What's up with Tiger Woods' blades from TaylorMade?
That's what I'd rule with that, bro.
Bro, when you trade, please can you indicate, because I don't fully understand language. Yeah, I'll say, man. I'll say I've got a buy stop or a sell stop here, man. Dan, no, not yet, man. Almost long gold, but we just came back into resistance and just pushing back within the range. So nothing just yet. Hello, Lewis.
G'day.
Hi.
Hey, here he is, man.
Honestly, gold is just a joke today. Yeah, just low volume. It's okay. Just low volume. It is what it is. Market cycles. But we're still up nicely on the week. So we just gotta let it do its thing. Do you place trades from your phone? No, all on my laptop, man. Any potential trades on gold? Yeah, with the big dogs. Yeah, maybe trades on gold. I'm not sure. I just need to see more. There's not a lot of volume right now. You look at gold on the hourly, it's back to where we started when we first started the call. See, we grabbed the lows beautifully, but we just haven't had the volume to push. So, but it's okay though. We wait. I'm not calling it just yet, because I still think we can easily get a nice push. You're going to be streaming in Thailand still, Antonio? Yeah, probably. Maybe not for the first week, because that's when we're doing the trading retreat in the villa. But I'm staying on for another few weeks after that. So yeah, I'll probably stream as well. depending on my schedule. It may be different days depending on if I'm traveling about or what I'm doing. But yeah, I'll try and stream as much as I can. If not, it will be Zooms in the community every day as well. Get rid of the.
Get off the golf course.
Yeah, depends if Alan wants to trade after I beat him in golf, or if he's mentally burnt out. FTMO TFF. I'm not sure what TFF is. My funds. How's the search for the PC? Got rid of that rotten apple yet? No, I haven't got rid of this rotten apple yet. I haven't. I went to the shop to buy a PC and I left with a PS5. So I don't know how that happens, but just one of them things that happens.
Lewis, do you still trade off your iPad?
Yes.
Come on.
Yeah.
Come on. Making moves.
Still. 15 minutes still looks nice on gold. Like, it looks nice to flip higher, but
Yeah,
I need more strong pushes from the 5, yeah.
Yeah, there's absolutely no volume on your 100 as well.
No, not a lot this morning. We took a little 10 pip loss on gold.
Oh, did you?
No, Lewis, it wasn't like that. It was half risk, Lewis.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah. The losers are always half risk.
And there it is.
True Forex funds. I don't think they're a good funding firm. Only ones I recommend is FTMO, my Forex funds, and E8.
5%ers?
Absolutely not. Don't even plug that bullshit on my YouTube.
Who am I with now? FX2?
Yeah, stay away from them as well.
Basically, all the ones that I done, stay away. Fuck.
John Luca, let me have a look, man. Does this count as liquidity grab on GU with dotted lines because I marked up? I didn't take it. Yeah, what time frame are you on there? 5 minutes. So it does. The entry that I would have taken there would have been this one here. I would have probably taken, because that was a lovely liquidity grab there. Had that double bottom, liquidated the lows, strong 5 minute push. You take the break at that 5 minute high. And then, as we get into these levels, you'd probably go break even. So I probably would have cut you back down at break even because low volume. But if there was any valid entry there, it would be that lovely double bottom, wicked it out, strong 5 minute, closed above these previous bodies, and then had a nice little 10 pipperoni drive. Then I doubt you would have taken profit there, but I would have 100% been at break even by then. You would have wanted to retest, hold these levels and push higher, but with the lack of volume, just pushed all the way back down. I personally wouldn't have re-entered here. Even though it pushed back up, I personally wouldn't have re-entered there. The fact that there was a liquidity grab and then came straight back down to the entry is typically low volume, because when you get the liquidity grabs that we take, it very rarely comes back to your entry. It just liquidates and pushes. Where's the other E-Trade trades we've taken? Where's the other ones we took? These, you get the liquidity grab. You want the volume. So whenever we stall, and come back to your entry, is usually low volume, and you kind of just have to stay a little bit patient.
You discarded GJ completely for today because of the moves, how it's been?
Yeah, I'm not really watching it, to be honest, man. I was watching it, but the 30 minute to me just looks whack. Like it's pushing up, but it's so slow. I just don't want to, you could have a perfect technical trade and then just get chopped around, and it's just not worth the mental side. But yeah, like if you look at that, you don't want to be trading shit like that. So you need to understand the low volume as quick as possible, and then just kind of, if all of a sudden we get big pushes, amazing, we can jump back in and catch that momentum. But for now, yeah, you just got to kind of let it do its thing, unfortunately. Do you go live every day? Yep, every day as of when there's volume. So London yesterday had no volume, so I didn't go live. I didn't take any trades in London yesterday, but we were live on Monday. But I try to do it every day. Yeah. Lewis turned up late again. You gonna take that, Lewis?
No, who said that?
Terry said Lewis turned up late again.
Such as IP address.
Yeah, Terry Lewis wants your IP address now. Can you share some more details about the Thailand retreat? Yeah, so we're going to Thailand in less than 3 weeks now, I believe. And I've hired out a villa for us to stay in for the week where we're going to be day trading live, trading like this live every day. Go and explore other places in Thailand. We're going to PP and then we're going to Koh Samui as well. And then, yeah, pretty much just living life and just kind of doing in-person trading and just also going to do cool shit as well. Bringing everyone together, creating networks, and just making bank and playing golf,
cool.
Eating good food. Alad wants to explore the lady boys. So that's why he picked Thailand.
It's been a very strong outcome from you.
Jack, yeah, I'll still be zooming, Jack. Yeah, we'll still be zooming, man. Absolutely.
More skin.
Yeah. But like, if we do when we do Zoom in Thailand, because we're there as a community for 2 weeks, I will just trade the one session. So if we don't get any volume in London, I'll just trade US. But if we get trades in London, I won't trade US at all, and we'll just likely close the laptop and go enjoy. Rohan, is that for the community? Yes, it's for the community, man. Thanks for all the knowledge you're dropping, really helping me in changing my style to suit my psychology and to make me love the game more. Rami, good shit, man. Amazing to hear. That's what we like to hear. Helping you guys develop technically and mentally. The mental part, the psychology part is the game that most people need to improve on. You just don't realize it. Most people are actually good technical traders. You just let your mindset fuck you up. But yeah, nothing on gold just yet. How long have you been on stream? Been on stream for 2 hours. I'm happy to wait a little bit more if you guys are. I'm not going to call it just yet.
I've actually got a day off.
Good man. Does that mean you're going to revenge trade US session?
Yeah.
Because I absolutely am.
5 risk. No. We're getting that 9 bit lost out today.
Light work. Light
That's how we do.
work.
We're also doing that in the community. How to best revenge trade.
Yep. That's what you're gonna do. If you get no trades in London, or you take a 10 pip stop loss, you want to come back to US with the mindset of I need to make this back and I need to revenge trade.
There's also a part in there, like a video tutorial for myself, how to best throw laptops through the window.
I think the clock's changed. Volume's coming at 9. Yeah, clocks have changed, man. So I would normally around this time. I'm typically calling it. So it's the same time as around 9:30. I'm usually calling London. I usually make a lot of my moves before then. Don't say it, Lewis.
I'm gonna say it.
I'm looking at
Yeah.
Do you still trade NAS and S&P?
Yeah, I love trading NAS in like November, like leading up to Christmas. NAS was fucking amazing. Then I've just found recently in London, like it's been just very, very fucking hell, been very, very quiet. Obviously, like it's a US moving indice, but yeah, in London in November, we had insane moves. October, September, we had amazing moves. We had amazing volume. But recently, no, not recently. I can't say recently, but in December and January, when I just saw London doing what it probably should do with low volume, I just decided to focus more on gold. But you know, there'll probably come a time where gold will go quiet. Maybe NAS will get more moves in London again, and we can just transition back to it. But it is nice to trade. It's very nice to trade. Lewis just trades NAS.
Oh, 10 a.m.
At 10 a.m. What's the most insane trade you've ever taken? I'll show you the exact trade. I remember the trade like it was yesterday. And I shared the entire thing live as well. The entire damn thing. Where is it? Right here. Was it here or was it here? Let me go daily. It was here, right here. The most insane trade I've ever caught to date. And I actually caught it without even watching it. This is back when I was more swing trading. Can I go to the 5 minute from that long ago? I don't think so. Hourly? You can't even go on the hourly anymore. Don't do that. Let me just see if how far I can go back on the hourly. I don't think I'll be able to go that far back. But yeah, we had an absolutely ridiculous short on gold, and I shared it with stop losses, entry stop losses targets, and it dropped gold dropped like 1,000 pips, and I wasn't even watching it. This is back when I was swing trading more. So it was this drop right here, and it was off the back of vaccine news as well. It was this drop right here. We caught this entire move down, literally. It was absolutely ridiculous. Our stop loss was so fucking precise, and we literally caught this entire move down. Literally had zero drawdown, and by the time I got back home, we were running up 600 pips. It was absolutely insane. I have that post on my Instagram somewhere as well, but it was absolutely ridiculous. This is when I was I'll show you guys, because this is a day where I was actually filming a day in the life as well, and I show the full position. It was when I was traveling in Turkey. Yeah, it's still by far one of my best trades to date, without a doubt.
Are you full risk all the way down? Or?
Yeah, I was full risk till about 600 pips, because I didn't. This was back when I was swing trading more. And I closed my laptop for the day, and I went across to another part of Turkey, which was Asia. And then by the time I came back to go on my laptop, it had dropped absolutely ridiculously. And it was. I don't think I'll ever take a trade like it ever again. It was in this day in the life, if anyone wants to watch it. And that one, it was stupid. It was literally a 1,000 pips. Where is it? I know. Alador. Don't talk about that. Leave it out. Where is it? Where is it? I showed the clips of it somewhere. Alad will remember. Alad was there then. It was just, the most insane trade I've ever taken. To catch that amount of moves without even doing anything, and it dropped. I can't go onto the hourly for some reason, but it dropped so quick. Do you remember Alad? Alad?
Hello?
Do you remember? Someone was just asking me about the biggest trade I've ever taken, and it was that. Yeah.
Oh, disgusting.
When I was in Turkey.
And I remember that, where I was, what I was doing, and how
Yeah.
I missed it.
I shared I'm pretty sure we had a 20 pip stop loss. I shared the entire thing, entry, stop losses, targets. It was absolutely ridiculous. It was that ridiculous that people deserve to fucking call me out on that. But I literally called and took the entire thing live. It was insane.
You were just out. You didn't even check your phone.
No, I was in the Asia part of Turkey, because in Turkey you can go from Europe to Asia, and I was in the Asia part for the day. I didn't even take my laptop, and I came back and gold had dropped 1,000 pips. It was fucking stupid.
I think that would have passed the challenge as well.
Alad closed at break even. No, I'm joking.
I didn't even enter it.
Ah, didn't put the light on.
I'll tell you off screen. It's not for the, it's not PG.
I remember how I got into your channel for travel and trading, which really motivates me. Now I'm learning technical through. Maybe we'll join you someday. Amazing. I love making the travel and trading videos. They're my favorite videos to make. I'm gonna be making more of them this year. I'll be vlogging the entire Thailand trip as well. But yeah, the traveling trading videos are my favorite to make.
I'm gonna have to wash my mouth.
Yes, you will. Yeah. Now, I'll just spend a couple of days just editing out all of Alad's swear words.
Yeah, don't vlog in my room.
Man, this is slow.
Bouncing off that level.
Yeah. One trade a year. Yeah, that trade would have been me done for the year.
With your lot sizes now. Holy cow.
I would have retired. I'm
We're all stood in the community. Where's that?
just waiting for the Zoom link.
Hello? Is there Zooms today?
The goal is to do full time, man, and live life. Yeah, absolutely, man. It's so possible. Like I say, when I first started traveling and trading like 4 years ago now, I wasn't even making that much money. You don't have to be making that much money to live a good life traveling and trading the world. You really don't. I got my first funded account back in like 2019 or some shit. My very first FTMO account, and I think it was maybe a 50k account. And I pulled out some pretty solid profits from that, and that's all I used to travel and trade around the world. I didn't have the community then. I did everything for free, and that's all I did. I wasn't living like a crazy lavish lifestyle, but I was 10 times happier than what I would have been earning more in a 9-to-5 job, that's for sure. Making a couple of thousand a month, traveling around Europe, visiting cool places, and just fucking living life, man. Does your strategy stem from ICT and SMC concepts? No, not really, man. I mean, I guess there's an element of ICT from liquidity grabs, but that's about it. I don't. For me, SMC is analysis paralysis. It's way too much. Like you guys will see, some of my best trades is just understanding retail traps, liquidity grabs, and support and resistance, and that is literally it. You don't need anything more than that. Like, where was this trade we took on EJ last week? That was an absolute banger. And the goal we took on, like this push on EJ, is just a double top. Retails try short here. You get the liquidity grab. You follow the momentum back down. The other banger we took, which is probably one of the best trades of the month, was that we took this on Zoom. Is probably one of the best trades of the month. Again, very simple. You get that support. That false support, retails go along there, you get the stop hunts, close back above, you get the quick little retest, bam, you play it back up into the highs. So it's pretty much just liquidity grabs and support and resistance, but the whole ideology is trying to understand what retailers are trying to do and trading into that. But no, SMC for me is just way too much analysis. You spend so much time drawing analysis that you forget that the most important part of this game is learning to execute with zero hesitation. The more analysis you do, the more you're going to hesitate. That's just me anyway.
I think he would have caught that move there though, but for me it wasn't confirmed.
Nah, that's a shitty move. Jack, I missed a lot of entries using which. Oh yeah. There's an SMC one. I missed a lot of entries using SMC. Yeah, I think so. I like it. Doesn't really surprise me. I feel like you spend more time trying to draw and predict everything than you do to actually reacting. There's so much so much predicting in the markets these days, and that's the reason I think that most people fail at trading these days, is like you're constantly trying to predict and put your opinions on the market, that when price comes into here, you're expecting it to do something. Whereas for me, I'll react to what I'm seeing. If price breaks above a level, then, and we've had liquidity, amazing, I'll trade it once it breaks above. But if it doesn't break that level, then I'm not going to react to that. I'm reacting to only what I'm seeing. So less predicting, more reacting. And it's the reason I don't like using limit orders as well. Because if you put in a limit order, you're expecting that price is going to do something at that level, as opposed to watching and see how it's going to react. And then once it reacts to it, amazing, then you execute. Otherwise, so many times in my early journey, say if I had, for whatever reason, I'd have a limit here, I'd get triggered and I would try short here, and it would just keep doing this, and I'd just get stopped out because I'm not reacting to what price is doing in this level that I am considering shorts. Like, you can have your levels and you can say, when price comes into here, I think it's going to do this, but don't just execute it straight away. Let it come into that level and then react to what it's actually doing. Less predicting, more reacting. Same with gold. I think gold's going to go up, but until gold breaks above this level, I'm going to react to what I'm currently seeing. And until then, it could just respect and just go lower. Yeah. So someone wants to, what's how we on? 215. Well, the bold heat's out.
No, it's actually quite cold.
What
All
do
right.
you mean? It looks sunny on that golf course, mate.
I think that there. When was that? Look what's on my head. That's the middle of summer. You guys.
But yeah, YouTube fam, I'm gonna wrap up here. I'm not seeing a lot of volume. I'm gonna stay on with the community for like another 15 minutes till the 30 closes. But for me, it's looking like I'm gonna come back for the US session. I had a lovely trade on gold today, minus 10 pips, managed the position very, very well. Fantastic trade management. And yeah, I'll look for more positions in the US session. London today's been very quiet, which is totally fine. It's part of the plans, part of the game. But don't ruin your mindset by telling yourself that, you know, the markets are shit, it's crap, and it's not doing what you want. React to what you're seeing. If you're not seeing a lot of volume, then come back for the US session and do it all over again. So I'll let you guys go. I hope you did enjoy the stream. Remember, I'll be live again on Friday. So I hope to see you guys there. But trade safe, react, don't predict, and I'll see you guys there next one. Peace.